I'm trying to call AAA to get a flatbed to take me home. Get off of my back already.
Hey! Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna put you on the ground.
Could she really think she could attack the police, even with the laws standing right in front of her?
I'm not resisting.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm getting on the ground, sir. Oh my God, getting me doing all this crazy.
A moment of overconfidence, and suddenly everything spiraled out of control. Police received a report about an intoxicated customer entering a cosmetics store, but when they arrived, what they saw was even more shocking than the initial report.
Were you in the salon recently, ma'am? Were you in the salon or over here?
Yes, I'm a hairdresser for 40 years.
So you were a hairdresser at that salon? Have you had anything to drink today, ma'am? No. No? I can smell alcohol coming off your breath.
So?
Are you sure you're okay to drive? Is there somebody
Yes,
that we
sir.
can call?
No, sir.
Maybe
Would
get
you
you
like
on?
to?
So, I mean,
I went shopping.
so you haven't had anything to drink, ma'am? So then what am I smelling on your breath? Obviously the people in the business think that you might be under the influence of some kind of intoxicant or something. Are you certain you're good to drive? Ma'am, I don't know if I feel comfortable having you drive.
I think I'm good, sir.
You think you're good? No, I don't think you're good, ma'am.
I didn't think I'm good. I really
So, ma'am, here's how this works, okay? You haven't driven yet, okay? But I see you intend to drive your car home. I believe you.
I will call AAA and they'll give me a flatbed to go home.
I believe you're under the influence. And if you try to get in that car, I will arrest you.
I'm not.
So why don't you call somebody?
I am.
Why don't you call
AAA.
somebody? No. Is there anybody you can call?
Now I can
Husband,
call
son,
AAA,
boyfriend?
and they will bring me a flatbed and go home.
I'm going to stand by until that flatbed shows up because I don't feel comfortable with getting you driving based off your speech, your gait, and the alcohol coming off your breath.
After being asked to cooperate, she became agitated and refused all attempts at de-escalation, turning a simple check into a full-blown confrontation.
No, I don't have anybody. I'm an only child. My husband had. Okay? You want me to call him up and tell him where the I'm at? That ain't happening. I know my rights. All right? Back the off. I'm calling AAA. Leave me alone.
I'm not.
Now.
I'm not going to leave you alone because
Now.
you're intoxicated and you're sitting in the driver's seat of your
I
car.
am not. You have
How
to
does
turn on the air condition.
How does this key come out? We're
It
taking
doesn't,
it out.
dude.
It doesn't. It stays in there. So it's a key fob, ma'am. I'm trying to keep you from getting a misdemeanor.
Ma'am, I am calling AAA. Ma'am, I'm not a ma'am. I'm 58. Back off of me. I have a husband suffering from. I have had one drink. I am a 40-year-old hairdresser. What they told you, I don't know. But that's where I'm going home to. All right, you can look at it any way you want. You want me to call my police friend? I will do that. No, back up. Back up. Back up off me.
Please don't drive your car away.
I'm not driving the car. They have my phone.
They have your phone?
Yes,
I'll go get it for you.
Yes, that would be good.
I'll go get it for you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
She says that you have her phone.
Yes, she left her phone.
Okay.
She didn't have her phone.
So what did you see? Because obviously I believe her to be intoxicated, which is not why I'm not going to allow her to leave.
Yes.
In the end, as tensions peaked, the woman lashed out at the officers before being restrained. A chaotic scene unfolded right before everyone's eyes.
We're trying to help you out and cut your break. It's either we.
Get the off my back.
either
Goodbye.
it's either you talk to.
Goodbye. Now you made me miss my shit again. Yeah, I'm trying to call AAA to get a flatbed to take me home, and you won't let me. Isn't that what we originally talked about? Get off of my back already.
Hey! Get out of the car.
No! Stop!
Stop resisting.
Stop! I'm not.
Get out of the
I'm
car.
not resisting.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
All right.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Stop! Stop! No! 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 I'm not No! No! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Now!
Keep your hands behind your back.
Get off of me! 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 Get off of me!
All right.
Get off of me!
On the other side.
Over this way.
I don't know what I did.
You tried to slam a door on me, ma'am. That's what you did.
No, but I tried to tell you to leave me alone. This has been going on for half an hour. No, stop, sir.
All right, ma'am.
Stop, sir.
We're going to stand you up now,
No.
okay?
She is now facing serious charges for public intoxication, assaulting police officers, and resisting arrest, a costly lesson in arrogance and disregard for the law.
Feet underneath you.
No, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No. Why?
It's hot out here.
Why?
Put your shoes on, man.
No.
It's hot out here.
Why? No, stop. Stop. You're calling my brother. Get off of me. No, please.
You got somebody else.
No, please, please, please. No. This is ridiculous. Stop.
Why in your stance?
Stop.
Why?
No.
Ma'am, just stand up straight. Just stand up straight. Stop turning.
My feet are on fire.
I understand that. I tried to get you in your shoes and you tried to fight with me.
Well, go get them. Guys are being ridiculous. Oh,
You had every chance
I
to not
did.
get
I
arrested.
told you to
You had
leave me
every
alone.
chance to not get arrested,
I
and this is
told
where we're
you.
at now.
No,
This is where we're at.
No,
Don't
you know
slam
what?
car doors on
No,
cops.
No, no.
Don't
I
sl-
told you to leave me alone.
Man, we're just trying to get your jewelry off so it doesn't cut your
No,
wrist.
Yeah. Cut my wrist. Cut my wrist. Yeah, exactly. I know. I'm in trouble anyway.
Oh, where you going? Stop.
Oh, I'm not going nowhere. Where do you think I'm going? This is comical. Oh, I love this. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is so good. Oh, yeah. You want to check my I'll totally bend over because I've been getting for 25 years. Go ahead.
Ma'am, stop moving.
I'm
Let her-
moving.
let her
Why don't
search
you
you.
take my glasses
Let her
off my
search-
neck? Why don't you take my glasses off my neck, you idiot?
In New Mexico, assaulting a police officer is considered a fourth-degree felony, punishable by up to 18 months in prison and/or a fine of up to $5,000, 0 cents USD. The woman has been charged with public intoxication, assaulting an officer, and resisting arrest. Next, a fateful morning at a tow yard. When police responded to reports of gunshots, they had no idea it all started because of a towed Cadillac.
Stand on this side. She's gonna ram that gate. Hey, I'm gonna set up a perimeter.
Hold on, she's getting out.
Female is landline with the desk as well.
Hold on.
Open the gate.
Just stand by here.
Alright, you wanna get cover over here?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
We can stack up right
I'm trying
here.
to keep an eye on her. He's in the driver's seat. The door's open.
Get back, come back.
Yeah.
This way, get back. Towards me, towards me. Come back towards me.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna put you on the ground.
I'm getting on the ground, sir. Oh my God, these people is dragging.
She reacted angrily, insisting on her innocence and accusing police of using excessive force. But something hidden in her purse was about to expose the truth.
Doing all this crazy.
We're securing one.
Oh my God. What is all this for?
I got it.
You got it?
You got that, Ken?
Yeah, you can do both.
Oh my gosh, I haven't even done anything to be treated like this.
You have any weapons on you?
No.
I'll find out from him what's up. Roll over to your side. You can sit up in your butt.
My office has been calling this guy to tell him to release my vehicle. They improperly towed my car.
Got a zero.
I have the documentation right here.
Got a zero.
The documentation is right here.
Hey, my man, back
He put
up.
his hands on me. I didn't do anything to him or come at him any kind of way. He put his hands on me, and I wasn't doing anything but taking the pictures of the stuff on the wall in there. That's my mom. She brought me up here. This is uncalled for.
Oh, so you're related to her? You related to her?
That's my mother. Y'all do not have to jack me up like that. Listening to his side of the story first.
And I just seen her coming up here to get her car, and I just seen him run up here and close the gate.
This way. So what happened with the
Who?
The gun?
Ain't nobody pulling no gun.
That's what they said. You know, everything's recorded.
No, my daughter is security. She always.
They said that she shot at them.
No, she did not. I was sitting right here, and ain't nobody had no gunshot. Ain't no gunshot took off or nothing. That's a lie.
What would the evidence reveal? The sound of real gunfire or just a misunderstanding? The body cam would soon show exactly what happened.
You got everything in the purse? Ma'am?
It might be in my badge.
What's the purse right here? You mind if I grab it?
No. You don't have permission to go in my purse, sir.
Well, I saw the gun, so right now.
You saw it because you just shook my purse up and opened it. And
I'm done talking to you. Next time, do what you're told, and the whole situation would have been a whole lot different.
Don't rush me. I have a pellet a half an inch to my spine, and I have this thing in my arm.
Okay, so you're carrying a concealed firearm, so I need to see if you have a permit or not.
I have one, and you can read it on your computer.
No, you need to carry it with you.
It's in there.
Do you have it with you?
It's in there or it's in the vehicle.
Okay, well, you got to have it with you.
I think we gotta do the Spanish. You need one over here?
Yeah.
My partner speaks Spanish.
The employee only speaks Spanish last time I was here, so.
He wasn't even listening to he talked Spanish.
Just find out where in the lot this happened at, like if we're gonna have a casing over there. Was it a shot actually fired? Because it came out with a shot fired.
Where the shots were fired at?
Yeah, just whatever.
There was no shots fired out here. Now that is definitely a lie. He should go to jail for false lying.
We need to find out where this happened from the employee, where this happened at. She has the gun. She's, at the very least, she's going for resisting, for not listening. But we need to find out where this happened at, if a shot was actually fired, and then.
Oh my goodness. I don't even understand how I'm.
In the end, the standoff concluded with serious felony charges: burglary, illegal possession of a firearm, assault with a deadly weapon, and resisting arrest. The legal process had just begun.
When or
Where?
She said inside. Well, I'm just getting the story now, but basically inside that little shack right there. Said that she hopped the fence. She confronted him inside the office. She pulled out the gun and pointed it at him. She did not fire shots, though.
She didn't fire a shot. Okay.
No shots were fired. She just pointed it at him. Yeah. Did she say anything?
¿Te dijo algo?
You speak English?
No, yo no hablo mucho inglés. Ella gritó. O sea, yo cuando cierro la reja, yo vi que ella se me metió a la oficina. Yo lo primero que hago es tratar de cubrir el dinero y todo lo que tengo dentro de la oficina, mi computadora, todo.
Oh yeah, she hasn't pulled out yet, right? She pulled up to here. There he is.
Is there a way to zoom in on that?
Is it go?
Yeah. You see? Yeah. Back up the other screen.
Wait,
Yes, get the other screen. Jeez, I see it.
I can't see it. Your arm's in the way.
Yeah, you got this? Is there one where he's right here?
There's my mom right there. She's the one that brought me up here. Excuse me? Can I get her stuff, please? Please give my mom my stuff, please. I have 3 children. I don't even understand why I'm going to jail. When that man jacked me up, y'all look at the camera like, why am I going to jail? But I didn't do anything.
After After the investigation, the woman was formally charged with multiple felonies, including breaking and entering, illegal possession of a weapon, and aggravated assault on officers.
I appreciate it.
Innocent conflict resolution. Don't touch me. Well, you better not touch anyone ever again. I don't want to be raped. Get away from me. You're the rapist. You are the rapist. You are the man. You are the rapist. You do that, Ty.
On April 26, 2024, Washington police quickly arrived at the scene after receiving a report from a Safeway manager who claimed to have been assaulted by a customer. The woman, later identified as Laurel, not only caused a disturbance in the store, but also screamed uncontrollably, prompting the manager to ask her to leave.
Who was assaulted?
Our store manager.
Where's the store manager at? What exactly
She
happened?
just punched me in the face.
She punched you in the face?
Yeah,
Okay.
like I have it on video.
Okay.
Lots of witnesses.
Okay.
I just asked her to leave. She was yelling at her.
We'll take her into custody here. For other units, there's PC for assault for punch the manager in the face. Hey, Laurel.
I don't want you to address by me. I need to talk to the people that the other man called.
Laurel, you're under arrest, so I need you to put your hands behind your back for me,
I'm
okay?
not going to do that.
Laurel,
you can talk to them.
I
They
just
called
did.
you. I'm waiting for the people that this man called.
You also
so
have warrants for your arrest.
I have a right to explain what I understood. I have a right to talk to someone about that, and I have a right to conflict resolution.
Okay.
So you go talk
Laurel,
to the person who called you.
You're under arrest.
I am not interested in that.
On arrival, officers promptly gathered witness statements and confirmed the assault through surveillance footage. They located Laurel inside the store and informed her that she was under arrest.
I'm not available for that. You need my rights as much as you need hers.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
need my rights as much as you need her. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for help.
Good step of that.
Well, talk to her. Understand. What did she say to me? What are her exact words?
She said that you punched her in the face.
Okay, what happened before that?
I don't know what happened
What
before
happened before that?
that. You also have warrants for your arrest, Laurel. You need to put your hands behind your back because you're under arrest.
I'm not interested. I want to talk to someone.
You are under arrest.
Where are my rights? I'm a little girl more than she is. You understand? There's 6 people that showed up after she harassed me verbally. 6 people. She told me what to do. She harassed me, said a bunch of things that were very rude. I don't think that person should be around young women. I don't think that person should touch young women. And I don't think that person should understand what's going on. She was very rude. She was very assertive. She acted like she understood me. And she had 6 people show up and stare at me. One being a 300-pound man who's 7 foot or 6.
Hello. So what led up to her punching you in the face?
So she was sitting there. My team's been calling me up at the office, so I was watching her talk to herself. I'm like, okay, she's talking to herself. I'll be down in a minute. So then I heard the yelling, so I could hear it upstairs. So I brought another guy with me, my assistant. So we went to go approach her, and I was about right here. I said, hey, can you come here with me? And she was yelling, and then I said, ma'am, can you come out with me, and we need to go outside. And she's yelling at me, and then she stands up. I said, no, I get firm with her. You need to come outside. I think I was standing right here. You were here. And then she starts walking towards me. I'm like, come on. And I start walking this way. And then she just came up to me and just punched me right here.
She immediately became verbally uncooperative, repeatedly demanding conflict resolution and refusing to comply with police orders to put her hands behind her back.
I want to talk to a conflict resolution. I don't want to handle the other things I have to handle. I want to talk to conflict resolution. She is not welcome around crazy people. She is not welcome around young women, and she's not welcome around the public. Did you talk to? Are you with the man who called? Or are you with her?
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Okay.
Stop. Get off. Stop. You're under arrest. You've been told you're under arrest. Calm down. You're under arrest. You need to calm down.
Are you done fighting?
You need to calm down.
Are you done fighting?
The situation escalated as Laurel resisted by tensing her arms, requiring multiple officers to subdue her. She screamed erratically, called the police rapists, and made even more bizarre accusations.
Relax. It's okay. Relax.
I want conflict resolution. 911, legislative conflict resolution now. Legislative conflict resolution now. Innocent conflict resolution. Don't touch me. Don't. Well, you better not touch anyone ever again.
Alex,
You
these
are
cuffs are
not
probably...
welcome. I don't want to be raped. Get away from me. You're a
Laurel,
rapist.
chill out.
You are the rapist. You are the man. You are the rapist.
Keep your hand right
You are the man. You are the rapist. You do that. I don't. Where's justice for you being raped? You raping people. Good job. Not a man's job. I think you need to do a good job. Not a man's job.
Stop.
Not chill out is not what I understand. You are raping me when you say chill out.
At one point, she attempted to spit at an officer, prompting them to place a spit hood over her. Despite her resistance, she was eventually placed in a patrol car.
It's like, there's credit card information on that. I think you should take it out. Can you take that out?
I'll grab it.
Well, don't grab it. Take it out. That's not gonna work.
Come on. Laurel, get in the car. Come on.
Don't say anything other than what.
Laurel, you're under arrest. Get in the car, please.
911!
Laurel.
911! 9!
Do not spit on me.
Well, you deserve it.
All right, grab a foot. Grab a foot. Do you want me to put this on? Or?
I can't breathe very well.
I think you're okay. We're going to move on.
Don't you, please tell them not to use those words. Chill out is not appropriate. Talk to those people. 6 of them showed up.
The suspect in this case, Laurel, violated several legal statutes during her interaction with law enforcement. Third-degree assault under Washington state law, RCW 9A.36.031. Third-degree assault is defined as intentionally assaulting another person without causing serious injury. This offense is classified as a gross misdemeanor and can result in up to 364 days in jail and a fine of up to $5,000. Fourth-degree assault, RCW 9A 0.360.041. applies when a person assaults another but causes only minor injuries, or engages in conduct that is less severe than third-degree assault. This offense is typically a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Resisting arrest, RCW 9A.760.04, criminalizes resisting arrest, which occurs when a person intentionally prevents or attempts to prevent a law enforcement officer from making a lawful arrest. This can result in additional charges, which can lead to imprisonment and fines, depending on the severity of the resistance.
Your rights or no? Okay, I'm gonna take that as a no then. I'm also going to read you a trespass warning from Safeway. You are no longer permitted, invited, or otherwise privileged to enter upon or remain above location in that Safeway. You understand you may not, for any reason, enter or remain above locations for 1 year. And that includes the parking lot and gas pumps. Pat, we're done. Follow me. Yeah. This is Laurel. She's calm now. She resisted arrest. Spit on us.
She spit on you?
Yeah.
You need a spit hood?
You still that spit hood?
Yeah, I do.
You want to just use ours?
Yeah. I took it out of the packaging like 5 minutes ago, maybe. So.
Following her arrest, Laurel was charged with third-degree assault, fourth-degree assault, and resisting arrest. Additionally, authorities discovered multiple outstanding warrants for her failure to appear in court for previous offenses. She was also officially banned from the Safeway store for 1 year, including the parking lot and gas station. Next, a case involving a famous celebrity being arrested for drunk driving has shocked the public. On the evening of March 19, 2024, Karen Huger, widely known as the Grande from Bravo's The Real Housewives of Potomac, was involved in a single-vehicle accident in Montgomery County, Maryland. While driving her Maserati, Huger reportedly lost control, colliding with a median before crashing into a tree.
My Maserati.
We're going to get you on there. We're just going to check you out. Yeah, just check you out in the ambulance.
You want to walk? All right, we'll let you walk. And then we'll...
Yeah.
In the ambulance.
I'm Officer Baxter County Police. Just let you know everything's being video and audio recorded at this point, all right? You can go
No,
continue.
it's not okay.
Well, it has to be.
Cut it off, yeah.
I can't. You can go with them.
Police arrived at the scene immediately. Body camera footage captured Hooger's behavior, which included slurred speech, unsteady movements, and a strong odor of alcohol, indicating clear signs of intoxication.
How are you? Just so you're aware, we all wear cameras to record audio and video, okay? I know. Okay. I need to see her driver's license.
No,
Sir,
no.
she's not free to leave.
I understand.
Okay.
I
No, I am. No, Ray, I am.
Get your
I
bag.
am, Ray.
You got your bag here.
I'm you. And
Hold it.
he's
Hold it, honey. Hold it.
Watch out, there's some barf on it there.
great.
There's some throw up on it there.
Remember?
I think
Okay, ma'am, can you get your driver's license for us, please?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
You ready?
Karen, okay, let me ask you a
She's
question.
not free to leave.
I understand this.
And
Okay, so
what
so
do
you're
you
saying
need to know? What do you need
Hold
to
on,
know,
hold on.
sir?
Let me answer his questions. And
No, I'm
no,
the person that was
Karen.
driving.
Okay, you were the
I
person
know
that
what
was
happened.
driving. I understand that, but I need your driver's license. Can you get me your driver's license, please?
No. No, because I can't find it.
What?
I'll look for it.
Okay.
No,
Right,
right.
ma'am, Karen, can you stop? Can you stop
You
for me,
were in an
please?
accident, baby. There's no way to get around that.
Okay.
Ray, they drove me off the road there.
Who
right?
drove you? The people, somebody?
Yes.
Oh.
And
Okay.
that was not my
Where,
fault.
ma'am, where are you coming from? Let's start with that.
Where's your point?
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
Despite officers' attempts to conduct a field sobriety test, Huger refused to cooperate, leading to her arrest for driving under the influence, DUI. She was then transported to a local police station for processing.
And yeah, hit this tree as well.
Okay, 'cause
or
it's
one
going
of the.
dark. Hit the median. Hit the tree.
Ray, can you pick my purse up, though?
It doesn't take much.
No, it does not. Sweetheart, can you speak to me, please?
Your car's on fire. Your car's on fire. Get away from your car.
My car?
Still smoking?
No, it's on fire. All right. So, do you remember what kind of beer you had?
Sweetheart, it's not intoxication.
Okay, but I got an investigation. I got to conduct.
I understand that.
some
Go ahead, Ray.
So, what kind of beer did you drink? Was it the
Stella.
Stella? Okay.
I think I sent it on my phone to my husband. I always do.
Your location or where you
Yeah.
were? I don't.
Wait,
No, don't. It's on fire. But don't go. Karen, your car is on fire. You're not going over there.
Wait, can you go get it?
Get what?
Let the firefighters do.
Put it out.
Let the firefighters, and we'll get you whatever you need. I'm guessing that's your cell phone ringing.
Is that the phone?
Probably. It's on the passenger floor, but don't go over there right now.
Oh, okay.
Where's your point?
My
Okay.
point is,
No,
I have
I-
an investigation to do as a police officer.
I
Okay.
respect that.
Yeah, let them do his investigation. You had an accident, just thank God you're not hurt bad or anything like that.
Can I
And
conduct
we
some
got-
field sobriety on you, ma'am?
And we'll make the
No,
best
sir.
of it.
No.
You cannot.
All right.
Yeah.
Are we good?
I think we could be good. We had an accident. You probably did have a couple of beers. You didn't see the meeting.
No, I didn't
and-
drive the car either. And
Oh.
for them
I-
to stop. Hop out.
So
My husband.
was he?
No.
Was he here?
I will talk to my husband.
You can talk to him, but you're not going anywhere.
I know what you will not do is tell me what I can
All right,
do.
Jeff, I'm gonna place your
Karen,
car.
please don't.
Are you doing that?
Yep.
Following her arrest, Huger faced multiple charges, including DUI, negligent driving, and failure to control speed to avoid a collision.
And I'm walking up the street. He has a timer on. He's good. And I'll walk up the stairs. And I'm not.
Careful.
Careful,
Careful.
We're good.
All right, just stand right here for a second. What's that? So we can get you home. My computer's gonna read you this form, all right, from top to
I
bottom.
want my husband here.
Well, that's
Or
not.
my attorney.
Advice of Rights, Maryland Transportation, Article 16-205.1.
Okay. Just follow.
Been
Listen
found
along.
or detained and reasonable grounds exist to believe.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
This is the advice of rights pertaining to driving.
No, what I am is intelligent and probably black. So you want to tell me what you do?
But you're arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol tonight. That's why you're in
You
handcuffs.
attempted to, but next.
That's why you're in handcuffs. Okay?
Well, I will be in handcuffs forever. I'm extremely
You won't be in handcuffs forever. Just a little bit.
I actually will not agree to anything
I
you
don't.
say.
I just need you to follow along right now, okay? I'll do my paperwork. You can follow along. My computer's going to read you this form from top to bottom. All right. After it's done, we'll discuss anything else, okay?
No.
All I need you to do is follow along.
Why don't we just skip to the end?
I can't skip it, unfortunately, okay? Do you want to sign this form saying you refuse to submit to an alcohol concentration test?
Tell me what that means.
That you're not going to provide a sample of your breath?
And then how long do I have to stay?
Stay? We're probably talking about another 2530.
I don't.
Sign that.
Here.
That's fine.
Yeah, right. You update me. I do have it. You want it?
Huh?
I shouldn't have updated in pandemic. What's your name again so we can get personal?
I told you Kyle like 5 times now.
Kyle, I really don't.
However, it took nearly a year for the case to be concluded. On February 26, 2025, Judge Terrence McGann sentenced Huger to 2 years in prison with 1 year suspended, resulting in a 1-year incarceration. Additionally, she was placed on 5 years of supervised probation, fined $2,900, and banned from driving for 1 year after her release, during which she would be required to use an ignition interlock device.
When she realized that she had hit a minor and had up hitting a minor and abused me, she made sure that she's not a bad person.
We're not saying that you're a bad person, but let's not hit her head, okay?
On November 26, 2023, in Florida, police were called to a domestic violence incident after a 17-year-old girl was attacked by her friend's mother. But that was just the beginning.
I'm over here to pick up my best friend who is obviously in an abusive situation. Her mother busted my lip.
Is a person here with a gun still?
Yeah. She left.
Where'd she leave?
I have no clue. When she realized that she had hit a minor and had up hitting a minor and abused me, she made sure that she had left.
Do you know what she's driving? Have y'all been here the whole time?
I went to go pick up my girlfriend who had shown me.
Can you wait here for a
she
second?
busted my lip. That's why she busted my lip. The woman, this is my fiance. She came and grabbed me out of my car by the head of my hair, busted my lip, started punching me, started like beating the out of me for no reason. I didn't do nothing. I was just trying to get her daughter out of this abusive ass situation. She's 18 years old. Her daughter is 18 years old. She's not a minor. You know what I'm saying?
You're friends with this 18-year-old, and the 18-year-old's mother
came to my car, pulled me out of the car by the hair of my head, grabbed my fiance by the hair of his head, pulled him out, hit him, hit me too. You can see my busted lip, baby.
Yeah, I can see
you
it.
can see it.
Yeah.
I'm sure. She hit me upside the head, busted me upside the side of my door. My car's right there. She busted me upside. She literally beat my head on the side of the car door. This woman is 45 years old. I'm not doing this with this woman. You know what I'm saying? I'm 17 years old. I'm not doing this with this woman. She had to pull the grown woman off of me. I'm not.
So what happened with you? What did she do to you?
She just
started hitting him and grabbing him.
I was inside the car, I was trying to push her off.
Off of me.
She grabbed me by the head, so I got out of the car.
And pulled him out.
And I went all the way around and grabbed her.
From a crying and begging victim to someone facing jail time for a few text messages, what pushed this girl past the point of no return?
You got here, you get to an argument. Did you get to an argument on the phone?
I had gotten into the car and Allie was trying to get the rest of her stuff out of my car.
So did Allie leave with you?
No, ma'am. I did not take her with me.
So she was bringing her stuff?
She was in this parking lot. You see where that van's over there with a light, with the headlights on? And that's where I was parked, right over there. You see where these bushes are, ma'am?
Just a second, hold on.
All right, so
my girlfriend called, and I'm aware that she was in a position of firearm. I had just left work because.
Let's get that clear because we need to know where the firearm is.
I have firearms, but not on me.
No. You said she's in possession of the firearm. Who's in possession?
She is. It's out
that
the car.
You know that.
It's out in the car. But she was saying that she was gonna come up. I heard it over the phone. She said she was gonna come up to my work and kill me. And I had already left work another time that she said because my best friend just died over here. I was dealing with that, and then I get a phone call saying this is going on.
And you are the one that called.
Yes, I called too. I know that they called, but I called too because I didn't know that whether they called the police or not. But she said she was on the way to kill me. She was about to leave and come kill me up to where I was. And so my girlfriend's mom said, "No, you're not." And they got into a verbal argument, and I believe she was the aggressor.
She says she's a Buddhist, that all lives are precious, but in the hands of the police, the only thing that matters is electronic evidence.
Was trying to calm her down. Well, that's when she was something about the boyfriend, and I'm gonna go kill him myself, and it got all kind of fired up and keyed up, and then some kind of altercation went on at the car over there.
Okay.
And that's when I called you guys, and I was like, look, this has gone too far.
Yeah, most definitely.
So that's about it, but yeah, the threatening of the weapons and drugs was what was a little concerning to me, because, you know, she doesn't look that old.
Right. Did you happen to see who threw the first punch or pulled hair or whatever
it was getting dark, you know.
Fair enough.
I mean, I'm trying to stay out of as much as I can, but I live in a fishbowl, so I saw everything.
Definitely understand.
But the two girls are friends, I think. That's
From
what
my
it
understanding,
sounded
it sounds like it is. Some way, shape, or form. But.
Yeah, but nothing to see who actually started it. But that girl doesn't live here, and she's the one who came here and was screaming and yelling and carrying on. I was like, oh my God, it's Sunday evening. What is going on?
She started saying that she was going to kill him.
So she's talking about possible threatening text messages or something. Can I see
Yeah,
those?
because she started calling and blowing up that she was outside my door trying to beat my ass.
Can I see those?
Yes, you can.
That's awesome.
And she just now texted me, they know you're Addie, either come back now or deal with it tomorrow.
Mind if I see your phone? Okay, do you mind if I scroll up?
Yes, I'll take you to the very top.
Sounds good to me.
I have a gun and I'll be back tomorrow. You're lucky.
Yeah, you can take them to jail.
I had already told 3 times to leave my house.
Yeah, because even the neighbors heard it that she had a gun in the back of her trunk.
The lady that called her.
And she has been to prison before, by the way.
Rescue your friend from a toxic family case turns into a multi-pronged battle. Violence, threats, and accusations that challenge the law. But it all boils down to one night in jail.
For putting his hands on Allison. I said, Andrew has never put his hands on Allison. And I said, Allison and Andrew's relationship is none of your business. You need to get up out of here. And she just rolled her eyes back in her head and leaned back on the bed. I said, and what is wrong with you? I said, what have you been doing? So I put my shoes on and I came straight down and she was over there screaming and hollering. I have a gun, I'll go down there and I'll shoot him. And I walked over there and I told her, I said, Madison, I said, you're not going nowhere. And she opened her door up like she was going to get out. And I stepped around off of the curb and she kicked me in the stomach and I bent over and she grabbed me by the hair and pulled me in her car and just kept kicking and I was trying to get her off of me and then she grabbed her and tried to push her off of me and then her boyfriend, he reached over top of both me and her and was trying to push Allison out the car. Right in threats.
I didn't write a threat.
Turn around.
I didn't write a threat,
For threats to kill.
Via text.
Written or electronic threats to kill.
Zeke, they're arresting me.
You can't arrest her. She got assaulted.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can. For what? We have evidence of it. Evidence of what?
I'm going to tell you this too, okay? You've been pretty good. So, I know, I need you to listen to me. Listen to me.
I don't know, man. I'll let you know as soon as I find out, man. She got attacked in her car, and you're gonna arrest her?
Listen to me. We are taking you to DJJ. You are getting arrested for this, and this is a felony, all right? Yes, ma'am.
A 40-year-old woman came and grabbed her out of her car, and you...
I understand that. So you also need to know this. Being charged at 17 years old with a felony, it could go worse for you, all right? So listen to me. Right? Okay. We're gonna put you patted her down really good, right? All right. We're gonna put you in her car in the back.
Can I please just get my fiance one last night before I go to prison?
Hey man, chill over here. Can't go over there, okay? I can't go talk to her? Not right now. Well, let's talk to her before she leaves, okay? She didn't do anything wrong. What did she do wrong?
I threatened her life, apparently. Please just give me a hug.
Come over here and give you a hug.
Don't do anything stupid.
Do not do anything stupid. All right, say bye.
You know how long this will
I do not. No, ma'am.
Where is she going?
To DJJ. All right, let's let her go so we could get her in the car. We got to do paperwork.
Madison was charged with threatening to kill someone via text message, a felony that could result in years in prison if prosecuted as an adult. The 45-year-old woman, your mother, was charged with assault and child abuse, with the act of dragging a young woman out of a car and assaulting her being considered aggravated because the victim was a minor. Next, a wrong turn in the middle of an intersection, but the woman behind the wheel thinks she has enough reason to delay everything. When you say you're an insurance agent but can't produce auto insurance, tonight is not the time to impress the police.
Stop is when you change lanes back there. You changed lanes in the middle of the intersection. Like you went straight instead of turned with the curve of the road in the intersection. You didn't signal either, but that's kind of not the reason. Do you have your license, your registration, and proof of insurance?
Yeah, sorry about that. Well, I'm really confused.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm getting my license now.
Where are you coming from tonight? You're coming from Tampa right now? Is it like a restaurant or?
Yeah, the castle area.
The fort?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you normally keep your license at?
It's funny, on my wallet, but right now I have that in my pockets.
You have what in your pockets?
My license in my pocket. You mean my driver's license, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And you also ask for my registration?
Your registration and your proof of insurance for the vehicle.
Can you open it?
Yeah. All right. Who are you visiting here? Just you?
Yeah. I just
All right.
wanted to check out.
That's fine. Just hang tight. I'll be right back, okay? Hey, I just realized I never got your insurance from you. Do you have that?
Yeah, I was just checking that. I'm actually an insurance agent.
You're an insurance agent?
Yeah, I want to make, because the one that I have on my wallet, I just realized you have a couple minutes so I can log in.
Are you trying to log in?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I get off for 5 o'clock, so I've got until then.
It's gonna be less than that.
Priscilla, where did you say you were coming from? You said the fort, but were you at a restaurant or anything?
Yeah, it was like, what is it called? I had tacos.
Tacos?
Quesadilla.
Okay, I gotcha. Well, hey, don't worry so much about that. Just if you wouldn't mind stepping out of the car for me, I'd like to speak with you on the sidewalk.
The police asked gently 4 times, but when words no longer worked, the road became the final resort.
Are you gonna make me walk?
Say again?
Are you gonna?
Yeah, we're gonna walk together to the sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Yeah, the sidewalk, the pavement right here. We're gonna walk together to that.
Why is that?
Because I'd like to talk to you outside the car. Please step out.
So, you want me to step out?
Please.
You asked me for my insurance.
Don't worry about it. It's okay.
I'll give you my insurance.
That's fine. You can do it later, though. We can talk out over here on the sidewalk.
I'll give you my insurance.
Okay. So, Priscilla, I'm observing signs of possible impairment. So what I'd like to do is begin a DUI investigation. For me to successfully complete that, I do need you to step out of the car. That's not asking you, that's me telling you to exit the vehicle. If you don't exit the vehicle, that's resisting a lawful command, and I can place you under arrest for that.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
Say again?
I didn't do anything wrong. You told me that you stopped me because I didn't turn the signs.
Yes, ma'am. Do you understand what I just said just before you started talking, though? That I'm beginning a DUI investigation. I would like to speak with you outside the vehicle. You need to exit the vehicle. I'm not asking you anymore, I'm telling you. If you refuse to do that, I'm going to pull you out of the car. And then you'll be placed under arrest for resisting.
Okay.
Will you step out?
Yeah. Can you just give me a minute?
Get out of the car. This is the last time I'm telling you.
You're not gonna...
Get out of the car.
You're gonna... Wait a second. Oh my God! Why are
On
you
your face. On your
why
face.
Are you doing this to me?
On your face. On your face.
Oh my God! This is so not necessary.
Just watch your leg. I got her. Just watch your leg. Roll over. Sit up. Stand up. My car.
Refusing a breathalyzer test? In Florida, that not only gets you your license revoked, it gets you into a whole new level of trouble.
I have to read you something. I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test?
I'm not.
If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. You'll be committing a misdemeanor in addition with any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test I've requested is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse?
I'm not gonna agree with
Okay.
that. I'm
Okay.
very confused about all of this.
You're going to jail for driving under the influence.
You don't have proof of that.
I don't. I have my observations that I made, which are very consistent based on my training and experience, that you are impaired.
I was talking to you and I was gonna step out of the car.
You going to let me finish and try to deconfuse you?
I was gonna step out of the car. You asked me.
You were not. I asked you 4 times to exit the vehicle and you refused every single time.
I was going to.
No, ma'am. I gave you the option and I told you.
I was going to.
I told you what would happen if you continued to refuse to
I would
exit the
never
vehicle.
resist.
Well, you did. You did.
But the way that
Okay. Do you not want to take the test?
Can you? You are talking very fast. Okay.
She thought she still had time, but with the police, patience has its limits. And when the clock hits the final minute, all excuses become meaningless.
Driving under the influence and resisting an officer without violence. Without violence is the better one because you weren't trying to hurt us, you just weren't trying to listen to us. You're also going to be cited with the violation which I stopped you for, which was for changing lanes within an intersection. This is the intersection that you changed lanes at. Okay, hang on. You changed lanes in this intersection to go around that other deputy. Yes, ma'am, that is the reason I pulled you over, was because you changed lanes in the middle of the intersection. In the middle of the intersection. It's not just because you changed lanes, it's because where you do it. Florida statute 316.087 says that you cannot do what you did, which is the reason for my traffic stop. Well, that's not my fault that Tampa's never pulled you over. Okay, I'll show you when we come up to the next light.
In the state of Florida, under Section 316.193, first offense DUI, fine $500, 0 cents, $1,000, 0 cents, jail up to 6 months, and license suspension. 12 months. She was charged with DUI, nonviolent resistance, and improper lane change in an intersection. Disobeying a police officer, even without violence, is considered resistance and is a criminal offense.
Tell him to get a restraining order, and I'm gonna sue everybody in that restaurant.
Turn it off.
Give my shit. What the? Are you okay? You want me to be cool?
On August 12, 2023, police were called to a Buffalo Wild Wings after a 19-year-old woman caused a disturbance. Dining with a friend, she became agitated when asked to leave, confronting staff and patrons and claiming mistreatment.
I have a lady that's a little, I don't know what's her deal in there, but she's on my counter, she won't get off. I just told her you guys were coming.
What's her problem?
I don't know. They both were dining. I mean, we served them one drink. I don't know if she's that intoxicated. I mean, my servers know.
One have a problem?
Yeah, just one have a problem. And I told her to get off my counter, and she's like, you can't do nothing. You're not going to touch me. I said, I'm not touching you. I said, the police will be here. So, okay.
We'll be in a second once we talk to her.
And me and my friend got 6 barbecue sauce. And I got French fries, and we already paid for our stuff. And she just she's inside still. And she just keeps making it seem like she's with us.
But you said you didn't want you there?
No. I talked to the manager. The manager wants me inside. Exactly. Thank you, sir.
Staff reported that the woman grew increasingly disruptive after being asked to vacate the premises. Though the cause of the initial dispute is unclear, she appeared angered by what she saw as unfair treatment.
And I have videos too. I'm legal. I'll show you my ID and all that. Let's go back outside. No, I'm not. This is where my issue is. Like, I'm gonna put my ID and everything. But I've been coming here. I come here with my mentor and shit. He does this every time I come. And my mentor got my ID and shit. I don't even have a picture. My mentor, no. You're not gonna tell me to get the out. That's what you're not gonna do. I already tried to be peaceful. I've been here. Every time I eat here, he shows them my ID and my shit. Because, you know, I understand. I look at you guys. My issue is, no, it's something. He's racist. That's my issue. And I'm not gonna leave till my problem stops. You're not gonna ban me. No shit, nothing. You're not doing that today. I come here already, bro. That's on my issue. An hour ago, my dead ass I've been jumped off a table without even paying for this shit. I'm black, but I'm not that damn bad. You feel me? I'll pay for that. My issue is everything. I show my ID, all that shit. I don't give a f. You know? You need to give the same respect you give to me that you give to everybody else. You know? I've been in here, bro. They ordered a drink before me. They asked my sister for them ID and them. Whatever, I didn't have no shoes. After that, I threw my shoes out, I'm not gonna lie. Because he was already getting me mad. Because he already seen me at the time. Not once, not twice, this year, third, fourth time. And if I remember you, you should remember me. I'm the
When officers arrived, the woman continued to argue, expressing a volatile mix of emotions. She claimed she had been unfairly targeted and racially profiled, adding that she often visited the restaurant with a mentor and had never encountered such treatment before.
Are you not listening to me? I already tried to. It's racist, bro, and stupid. You didn't want my ID now, you're not getting it now, bro. I have common sense.
Why do you want to be trespassing here?
Why? Why do you get trespassed? If you heard all them threats getting made to me, I'm gonna record this too. Because you heard all them threats getting made to me, you didn't want to do nothing. Now it's an issue when I open the door. You see this shit? But all them threats was getting made to me inside. It was never open.
We're staying outside.
I have a question though. I'm not. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You don't have no reason to detain me or anything.
We do.
So
We're gonna detain you.
I know the law. Don't play with me like that, bro. And you know that, bro. Don't. Is that serious to me? I can show you that shit right now. Do you want to see it? And if I prove that right to you, you can't look at me like I'm. So that's an issue to me. I have a question. No. No, you're not gonna keep doing this to black. Bro, it's not even about race, bro. I don't give a fuck. What makes it okay for them to do that for me, but not them to do that to everybody else?
We've given you ample opportunity to leave.
But they want to trespass. You can trespass, but you can't trespass until I'm off the property. And I know that too. So stop playing with my law.
You know, the good news is I'm a lawyer too, so.
Okay, then we're both people. What are you mad about? What are you mad about?
Let's go.
You can't play with my law. You can't tell me to leave.
The responding officers made several attempts to defuse the situation, urging the woman to leave peacefully. They informed her that she was trespassing and would face legal consequences if she did not comply. However, the woman remained adamant, arguing that she had every right to stay.
This is my part of it. Like I said, you can't book me without anything. So therefore, you're going to treat my shit, and you can get an active case, and you can do that. I don't care about going to jail. You're not going to keep playing with me like I'm here. It's not even in here. It's on folder, bro. That's how I know. Do your math, get me, law school, and help me. I got my associates in a year, bro. Bro, administrative and help. I don't pay that shit, bro. Bachelor's degree. I'm not in bachelor's yet.
You didn't have a bachelor's? You don't have a bachelor's?
Fuck no. You and me don't have bachelor's.
You can't go to law school without a bachelor's.
Assistant.
So look.
Thank you. Help and
pay attention to this officer. Excuse me. So if you call, you can literally call for.
I already did. Talk to police. If they're not detaining me, no. Are you detaining me? Well, I'll call again.
We're trying to give you an ample opportunity to leave without having to arrest you.
It's not equal though. Our customers, they live in different cities. I come here. I go here with my family. You guys are not understanding to deal with this shit. Why? When I'm not disrespecting nobody, I'm not. Why? I do that shit. My ID already did that. What more do you want? Like, you don't like my guns, you don't like my accent, say whatever. Give me the real stuff that I'll walk out of it. Then you can't do that for me, then I'm sorry.
What are you accomplishing by saying
I didn't do anything. I'm not trespassing. I'm not like bro, you guys don't know. This is not even the first car, bro. You guys.
She continued to voice her frustration, accusing the staff of being racist and treating her unfairly. Her outbursts included incoherent claims about law school and knowledge of legal procedures, suggesting that she believed she was legally justified in her refusal to leave.
If you're defeating somebody, I can put my seatbelt on and I can go home.
No, you can't drive. I'll give you a ride home.
That's my alcohol percentage.
No, we're not doing that. You're not driving.
Okay, so just give me my percentage. Give me an actual shit, and
I'm
if
not
I'm
giving you a
not late...
percentage. I have reasonable suspicion that you're above the legal limit for DUI right now.
You see this shit? How? I'm not doing that. He can give me the actual test like a human being.
No, that's not happening.
Like he would do. Okay, I'm just in my car. It don't matter. I'm not inside
But you're still
that
on their
restaurant.
property. You're trespassing.
No, that's not their property. Well, like, this is the common shit. This is public grounds. Well, like, that right there, because I dealt with this shit last time with them too. So no, you can't tell me I'm on their property.
You want me to call Gaddafi and have him come pick you up? Who's
Y'all
gonna
not
pick you up then?
You're not gonna call nobody.
Who's gonna pick you up?
Nah, I'm not going nowhere. Y'all not. But they smacked my phone off my hand. Am I getting this repaired, bro? You guys want me to not tweak? Smack my phone out of my hand, so is it getting repaired? No, right now, I pull out on the cameras. My whole shit's cracked right now. Before I came here, Bill on my dead dad's life, my shit was not cracked before I came here. Y'all be trying to play dumb black bitches, bro. Let me roll this shit.
Just turn the car off.
Turn it off.
Give my shit. What the f? Are you okay? You want me to not walk in this building, but you smack the shit out.
After exhausting all attempts at de-escalation, the officers had no choice but to place the woman under arrest for trespassing. Even during her arrest, she continued to argue and resist, stating that she was being unfairly treated and that her legal rights were being violated.
Bro, you guys are like...
Can you just sit in the back seat, please?
Well, my mom's gonna actually think something, you know. I
We'll
will, but
explain
don't
everything
call.
to you right now.
No, I've already been listening to you while coming with my family, bro. This is my family. I cannot listen to you, bro. And you know this is me. He said he don't want me to go home and deal with this when I went home. He said he don't want me to leave. You guys keep talking about you're free to go. I don't want to drive off, and I got to deal with that too.
Drive. So if the car is
But the
off,
thing
then
is,
it's not. Like,
that's what I'm
you're not
saying.
driving. But we offered to take you home. We just said you can't be here because you're trespassing. So that's why you're being
You
detained
said
right now.
that.
You're being detained because you're refusing to leave.
But everybody didn't say that.
You had the car on, trying to drive away.
No, I was trying to roll down the window so I can hear you guys. Yes, after. But did I not? Bro, listen, don't do that. I did try to roll the windows down, but I did roll it down to try to listen to you, right? And then when he was like, you're just trespassing shit, I'm like, you guys are not even listening to me. Bro, please, bro. I'm just going home, bro. Just take this shit off. I'm trying to win, bro.
Alright, you guys can put her. You can go to my car.
Wait, can you please stop?
So you're under arrest for trespass at this moment.
Okay?
After being escorted to the police vehicle, the woman began to cry, asserting her innocence and claiming she had cooperated throughout the entire process. She mentioned her family, seemingly in an attempt to gain sympathy from the officers. However, authorities remained focused on their duties and proceeded with the arrest.
Okay, please, let go of me. Please, let me just have a general conversation. Just let go of me. I'm not gonna run. Where am I gonna go?
Just pay attention to me. You have the right to remain silent.
Why are you?
Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law.
Hey, Northrup, can
you have the right at this time.
Just
Pay attention to these.
Oh, bro, please don't even play with me like that. What the f? I will kill myself and choke myself right now, and I'll die. Bro, you're not gonna pick me off here, though. Bro, you guys don't. Bro. Why? Are you guys serious?
This is the kind of behavior that got you arrested.
This is the kind of I was in my car. Are you okay? What? Are you crazy? And I just broke an ankle, and I know I did. That's so sad. I'm gonna sit and break it, please. It's already broken. Break it, man. It's dead.
Yeah, I can get it.
Yeah.
The woman's actions during this incident resulted in 2 significant legal charges, trespassing and assault on a peace officer. Under Chapter 30, Section 30.05 of the State Penal Code, trespassing occurs when an individual remains on another's property without consent after being asked to leave. In this case, Buffalo Wild Wings, as a private business, had the legal right to request the woman's departure. Her refusal to comply with both the restaurant staff and the police's instructions constituted a direct violation of this law. Her defiance, coupled with physical resistance during the arrest, worsened her legal standing. Additionally, the woman was charged with assault on a peace officer, a serious felony offense under Chapter 22, Section 22.01 of the Penal Code. This charge punishable by significant prison time, fines, and a permanent criminal record, was a direct result of her physical resistance despite multiple warnings from law enforcement. This escalation significantly compounded the charges against her. This case underscores the significance of mutual respect and cooperation with law enforcement in preserving public order. Following the law helps create a more just and peaceful society. What are your thoughts on this situation? Feel free to share in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for your ongoing support